Hey everybody, Josh Crossman here, PTL Hardwood Floors, and I'm in the showroom and I decided to give you guys a little tour to see if you want to make the trek down to see it in person for yourself. Alright, we'll start outside. Give you the brief view when you walk in the door. It may look something like this. So we'll just start right here in the middle and work our way around. So we do have some window coverings, a lot of options with that, blinds and shades. You may see piles of wood here, so sometimes I get a special deal on material, and that way I can pass it on to you guys. So you can get a lot of times it's usually some custom stuff, small lots, but the price is really good. Like we have some grappa here. You can see, for instance, today, $5 a foot for material. Super cheap for some really exotic. This stuff right here, super exotic, 5 inches wide, for instance, $5 a foot, 600 feet of it. That's a super good deal. The showroom floor is the highlight of the place. I cut and glued and sanded and finished all of this. So, and we got this done. Took us about 6 months, I think it took us to do this floor. So if you want a custom wood floor, that is very cool. We can do that too. As you can see, I'll just kind of show you around as we walk. But up on the walls, we have the different types of wood. So these are, just all types of wood and grades. Nice big samples so you can see what they look like. Get a really good idea of what it'll be for your house. Here at the table here, for instance, we have a couple of charities we support. CareNet, Puget Sound, and Operation Christmas Child. So if you want to donate to those are a couple ones that we really support. We got flexi felt protection for your furniture, like your chair legs here, for instance. Got the felt so you don't scratch up the wood floor. Good to have. The welcome desk where the ladies usually sit. A little sitting area. If you need to take a break, let the kids sit while you glance around. This board, 17.5 inches wide. Super awesome. European oak. Put that on the floor. Again, we got different woods of the world. We got examples of medallions we can make. That one's handmade. Some more materials for sale. Then we have Mohawk carpet. So we have some carpet selections. Let's walk around. This is really cool here. I really like this display. This is Kerastane area rugs. There is samples of about 150 on here. And then an interactive display. You can go through. Oops. So you gotta get the fingers right. You can see the different carpets. You get to see it in room scenes. It's how the carpet will look, the pattern, and then the different sizes the carpets come in. So really cool. If you're looking for an area rug, this is a great way to shop for an area rug, because then you can just flip through, see it, the colors, and then we order it, and it takes a couple weeks to get. We got Dow tile, so if you need to purchase tile, we have that available. Engineered wood flooring. We got a lot of cool options. If you want just a pre-finished wood floor in and done, don't want to deal with the sanding and finishing, we can do that. We have a great selection from Hallmark and Woodpecker, as well as Acer, which is made in America. Pretty good. We've got some more on this side. A lot of stuff to choose from. Some European options for wood, engineered. Some more over here. Then we move into the vinyl plank, like the Metro Floor, that luxury vinyl plank you've heard about that's waterproof. We have that. We have, this is an interesting product here. It's we call it waterproof hardwood. So basically, it's a thin layer of wood with vinyl core. So it's the same concept as the luxury vinyl plank, but it has a hardwood veneer to it. So there's no pattern that repeats. Every plank is unique. It's not a picture. So like laminate and vinyl plank, it's a picture on there. So that picture will repeat. Like you'll see this exact same knot multiple times in a floor. Whereas a product like this, you won't see that same knot. It will be one time because each board is unique. So that's kind of a cool product. We have a couple different brands with that type of feature. We have some more vinyl plank options, some commercial vinyl plank, and then we have some lower grade laminate. Then we have, swing it back around, the Mohawk Redwood and Ultra Wood. So this is cool. This is really good laminate, high quality. So if you want something that kind of like wood look, but you want to resist the pet scratches and pet damage and all that fun jazz that the floor takes, you know, it's a good option. Lower cost than wood, of course. So there's I believe like 70 different colors in this display. And then here, this new product that came out called Ultra Wood is kind of a similar deal to the waterproof hardwood, but it has again a wood veneer to it that is waterproof and not a repeating pattern. Again, like laminate is a picture repeating pattern. This is not. This has a real wood real wood surface to it. Different colors, and each plank will be different and unique. Really good option. Lower cost for engineered wood, but will perform really well. And then we have some commercial grade laminate flooring as well. Really good stuff. All right, so that's a tour of the showroom. Come on down. We're open Monday through Friday, 12 to 5 typically. We're a small business, so that may vary a little bit, but come check it out. And if you stay tuned, I got a little bonus feature for you. All right, I'm going to show you a little bonus feature if we step through this doorway in the back that most people won't see. We have a little back storage area for products, but here we have maple stair treads that are stained. Take you up to the back private areas. So this is a maple floor stained. It's a herringbone pattern. This gives you a really cool look to it. And then in here in the office is custom wood floor that I cut. Gives you an optical illusion. So depending on, I'll spin it around. So you can see kind of different viewpoints depending on how you look at it. It stands out differently. Really cool to mine. All right, well, if you stayed for the whole video, thanks for watching that. And come down and see us and buy some wood flooring or some carpet or something else. And I hope you have a fantastic day.